What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, you feel me, featuring Erika. So we got a new car, and Erika want to show off. We're gonna let her.
I do not want to show off.
My car's better, for the record.
So this is my car, and I got a white Honda Accord 2020.
Oh, you're bougie. 2020. Why you gotta say 2020 like that?
So it does have tinted windows all the way around, and the color of my car is actually a pearl white. It's not white.
You're bougie, bro.
And these are my rims.
Mmm.
And then my car also has the LED light. At night.
LED lights, damn, girl.
And then in the front there is a sensor, you know, for my backup camera.
Mmm.
Which, by the way, these tires are way too low for me.
Look at that.
And
Look at
then
that
in
bus,
the
huh?
inside, this is what it looks like when you open it.
Dang, this is luxurious.
Turn the radio down so I don't get caught.
Ooh.
Hi, welcome to my car. Right when you get in, it is actually black interior on the inside. Everything is black and silver. Starting on this side, this is we do have like the left and right button to turn the mirrors, and then the lock, unlock, window lock, auto. Then down here is the trunk button, so you just push that down, and then cup holders. So if you know what the trip is, then you know what that is. Safety features here. Below, there's my pedals, my hood button, and then this is the screen. So here's the home button. You can see, like, you can do the speed and time, the range and fuel, or you can have it like on the audio. So if I want to have it on that, I can change it to the song instead of just having it there. The little green card just means I have my safety features on. And then down here, I also have the eco mode and the sport mode. So up here, it'll show the eco mode when it's on, when it's off, and then it does have the temperature, and it shows my miles. And then I don't have my seatbelt on, which is a cool feature because it actually does tell me to put my seatbelt on when I'm driving.
Maybe you should put your seatbelt on.
It'll say, please put your seatbelt on. Yeah, so it has my miles, and then the temperature outside, and then the miles per hour on this side, and then my fuel tank meter thing there. The only thing I would say that's kind of like a con, I guess, is that it doesn't say my miles here, like when I'm driving. It only shows it on here. And then this is the wheel, and I do like the wheel because it feels nice. The volume button, and then this little thing for that, so you can call, hang up, speak to Siri. And then on this side, this is like for cruise control, so you can set it. This one is the lane keep assist button, so this one will keep me in the actual lane when I'm driving, and then it will tell me up here if I am going into a different lane. And then this one will keep me a distance from another car, and then it'll also do like brake when there's a car too close to me, and it'll start beeping. And then this is just the windshield wiper thing. Up here, like I said, everything is black. And then this is the sunglass case thing. This is just a little light that's not that bright. These are just my lights, that mirror, and then just the mirror. And then the screen, which is my favorite part on the dash. So then you have a home button here, which I have my Apple Music playing. So it does do Apple Music, and then just regular FM music or Bluetooth. And then it does show like when I have messages, my phone is connected. So Apple CarPlay. And then this one is for fuel, so it'll tell me how many miles I have until I need gas. I have my settings, and this is just like all the little settings that you would set for your car, so like your sound, your music, the bass, all that stuff. And then it also has like all the safety features on here too. This is just the brightening button, the volume, search button for music, more stuff, clock. Then you can like set your own home screen. And then over here is just the phone button and audio, etc. So then it'll just pop up like when I have a text message or something.
Who that?
Or if somebody's calling me, the man of my dreams. All apps. And then there's a bunch of things that you can set on there. I don't really mess with it because I'm not car savvy like you. Okay, then down here it just shows the temperature. You can actually sync both buttons. So if I want to have mine on 68 and have it on 68, I can do that.
Ooh, it turns blue.
So it does turn blue when it's cold, and then it turns red when it's hot. And then this one's up and down mode, where you want it, rear. Then down here, I just have my phone in here. It's just like a little section, and then the power outlet down there where I charge my phone, and it's also just like the Apple CarPlay charger. Then down here I have just hand sanitizer, my keys, the eco mode, the sport mode, which would be like also for these levers here, which I don't use because I don't even like get off of eco mode. I don't use sport mode, it's already fast without it. Then my parking brake, my brake hold, so it will keep me in park without me even having to have my foot on pedal. And then over here's just, and yes, I do still have the plastic on my car.
You're bougie, bro.
Because I don't know, I might upgrade. And then this is just my glove compartment, and here's just the middle console, which I just have my nothing really, just like change and my cards, and it's pretty deep. I like it. I also really like that this is square and it's wide, so if I ever want to do like a Starbucks run video vlog on drinks, I can just put them all right there and vlog it. And then over there are my little speakers. The interior is leather, and I don't have a sunroof, but that's the back, and I really love it because it's super wide, like it's really big back there, bigger than I expected it to be for a car. That's my car, guys.
Wrap it up, B. Wrap it up.
I don't think I forgot anything else. There's a lot of really nice features and things that you can set in here though that I really love. And it is push to start, because you know we don't do keys around here.
Dang, like that?
Like that.
Alright, YouTube. It's my turn. Let me show you how I really get down. You feel me? I got the big Mazda 3. I used to drive a Dodge Dart. That was my first car ever. Dodge Dart 2013. Never buying a Dodge again. I'm gonna say it right now. Never buying a Dodge again. All right, Erika gonna hate. I'm gonna tell you right now, my car better than Erika's. You feel me?
What? What?
Put the camera back on
me.
me.
Do you see the
Check it
beauty
out.
over there,
look,
though?
Dog, look, dog. Your car done. Your car done. Look. All right, check it out. You feel me? I got me a nice little. You feel me? This my car. This is my new car. 2020. Let's go. You feel me? Bring it around to the front. You see the grill? Hold on. You see the grill? Come on now. Hold on, give me this camera, dog. Look at the let's go. That boy clean, huh? You feel me? Second car ever. You feel me? I came a long way. You feel me? Let's go, baby. All right, now let me show y'all the inside, because I like the inside more than anything. It's got some reviews saying it's not fast, this, that, and the other. Whatever, I'll take it. You feel me? You open the door, you see that? Bose. You feel me? Hey, you want to get in my car, girl? What's up? Ooh. See, she want to get in now. All right, look, first things first, push to start. Look at that. Would you look at that? Big screen in here, you feel me? We're gonna start on the door. You got the windows, you got the little your digs, for the mirrors. You got the memory seats. Let's go. You know, safety features, all that. The screen, you know, it's definitely an upgrade from what I had. You got the miles and all that. This is a Mazda, you feel me? You got all the buttons, everything on here works very well, perfect. You got Apple CarPlay on here, and it's controlled by the knob right here. Controlled by the knob, it's the volume, home button, back. Brake hold, so when you pull up at a light, you know, you can take your foot off the brake and it'll stay in park. The emergency brake, sport mode, off and on, park, whatever. Look at this. You see that? Now, I do not have, this is a preferred version. This isn't the premium. The premium has the heads-up display. I ain't got heads-up display. I got heated seats, you know, I got all this. These are actually buttons. Right here. You know, you feel me? You got the sync, you got the auto, you know. Look in here. A lot of trash. Whatever. I got a USB port in there, and I got a little plug in up here. You know, we don't even wear glasses. I got the glasses thing. All my insurance in there, so don't be trying to stick my information. You know, you got lights. I can turn this one on. I can turn every light on in the car with that one. You know, a little something. When my kids are in the back right here, and they take off their seatbelt, it shows me who took off their seatbelt, exactly what seat, so I don't gotta turn around. Does your car do that? I don't think so, fool. Now look, the back, I don't like big cars. My last car was a small car, you know. So this car is just, it's like a little Beamer almost. It's all leather.
It's hella small.
It ain't hella small, but it ain't hella big either. You feel me?
It's good for a single person.
Look, this is a single man's car.
But you're not single.
But look, I got kids and they fit back here.
Barely.
So why you hating?
Barely.
So why you hating?
And it is
Big cup holders, you feel me? Nice little back seat, all leather. But do you have heated seats though?
I don't need it.
Do you have heated seats though?
I don't need it in
I
Arizona.
didn't think so. You know, so let me know who car y'all like the most.
Mine.
Just say me.
Mine.
Just say me.
Mine. I know all the women love my car the most.
Women's?
Because it's classy. And it's spacious for us moms.
All right, look, I'm finna get out. She tripping. This is the boss mobile. Talk to me nice, you feel me? Talk to me nice. The boss mobile, you feel me? Put some respect on it. Hers alright, but look at the boss mobile, you feel me? You feel me? Big grill. Little dude over here, you feel me? Little dude in the cut. It's alright, but it ain't that there. You know me? But look at this, big tint on the windows. My last car ain't had big tint. My last car, I took what the dealership could give me. Let me tell you what I had. I didn't have cruise control. I didn't have Bluetooth. I didn't have none of that. You feel me? We came a long way. 2 2020s. Stop playing with me. You feel me? Erika, you want to tell them something? Say, like, subscribe. Say, like, subscribe.
Anyway, we are gonna, well, I'm gonna try to make more videos, and I'm actually gonna be having a series that I'm starting for missing person cases and unsolved cases. So subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so we're gonna try to make some videos and put them on Facebook and YouTube. So subscribe to our channel, guys, if you support us and love us and want to see more and you want us to be consistent. Subscribe, like, and share, and get a car like me.